There really is no set way to do this. Hello, friends. It's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
And guess what? We're back again. Today, we're going to make a funny little kind of fairy friend inspired by a trip this summer to the Sonoma County Children's Museum.
Yes.
Yeah,
In
Sonoma.
Santa Rosa.
Yeah, shout out. It's a great place. And we went into their arts and craft room because it was like 100 degrees out and it was cool in there. But guess what we found? All kinds of fun stuff. On the table was just like this, like a hodgepodge of little pieces of ribbon and yarn and jewels, and people were making fairies. And here's the little fairy that I made. And
So
out of
cute.
an egg carton. You know, we make them out of all kinds of things, clothespins and pencils. But today we're going to make one out of an egg carton because, you know, chances are, if you live around the Bay Area, you know these people. They make really yummy eggs, and our friends save cartons. Let's see, okay, so I'm going to get started. You're going to need some scissors. You're going to need some glue, and then,
And stuff.
you know, stuff, any little bits and bobs you have laying around. You're going to use the pointy part of the egg carton, so we're going to start by cutting. These are pretty easy to cut. Almost, I really feel like you could rip it as well. You could maybe get started ripping it, but you want to be careful because you don't really want to destroy the whole box. So I think that I'm going to sort of cut around it to get the part that I want.
And you can make a whole family of these.
Oh, you can make a family. And now I want her to sort of stand up, so I'm just gonna trim it. I feel like it just really doesn't matter as long as she can stand up straight.
It looks like she has a little ruffle on the bottom of her
It
outfit.
does have a little, it's a bustle.
I think that goes around your backside, but
Yeah. Oh
a
yeah.
ruffle at the bottom.
Yeah, it does look like a little rough. All right, so I think that'll be my starting point. You could use different kinds of glue. You could use hot glue. Today I have tacky glue. So I was thinking there's a couple different things you could do. You could have a puffball head. Then I decided it would be more fun to have a wooden bead head. So I found some wooden
We have
beads,
these.
and I'll start by gluing my head on. So put a little glue on top like that. There really is no set way to do this. Do it any way you like. Oh, maybe she'll have a very fluffy hat. Gonna do that. I brought out some Googly Eyes. I think these are
Quite a
glue
package of them.
on Googly Eyes. So I'm going to start with the glue here because sometimes if you try to put a glue on a tiny little thing, it makes a big fat mess. I'm gonna have her maybe have sort of bigger eyes because I think
She'll be able to see really far.
she'll be able to see really far. She takes very good care of her eyes. Oh, there she is.
Oh, she's very cute.
She's very cute. And then have some Sharpies here. I'm going to give her a little smile. Oh, she's very cute. Okay, she has her smile. And then she's thinking, huh, I need a jazzy outfit. So I thought I could look around. I was like, this could be like the bottom of her skirt.
Oh yeah, it's very flouncy.
It is fancy. Or she could wear, maybe since it's summer, that feels like it might be a little heavy. You know, it's just a starting point for something fun to do. And I bet you that if you were home and you had an empty egg carton and you didn't really know what to do, even if you went outside and you gathered leaves and little tiny rocks, you
Yeah, you
could
could make
find
a
some
great
really
one.
fun stuff. Does she need anything else? Or you
I
feel
think
like
she's just really perfect.
pretty jazzy? She's
Yes.
pretty. She's practically perfect in every way. Yeah. All right.
Call
Well,
her Mary.
yes, this is Mary. So thank you for coming. I think, you know, we just want you all to know that you can do art with just about anything. That's around, and that's kind of how we like to roll. So thank you for joining. Make a fun new fairy friend, and come back and see us again sometime soon.
Okay.
Bye, friends.
Bye, everyone.
Bye now.